Do you want to easily hold all kinds of styles? A classic wristwatch is absolutely necessary. We have fans who saying that his wrist is skinny and would like a smaller diameter watch. This model NF9193. It's only 38.5mm and 122 grams, smaller and light. The sunrise textile dial integrates classy elegance and young trendy. Slender hands made the dial look cleaner with classy and fastened 3 windows design. For men, it's elegance and temperament. For women, it looks capable and personality. Date, week, and 24-hour display. Those functions make me more powerful. With safe movement and environmental protection vacuum iron plating case. High quality and good looking for casual or for business style. Here we got 7 colors this time. The top look complements the cool colors, suitable for various occasions. Well, don't you want to get one?